Hi everyone, I'm Aaron from Styrofoam State. I'm an interior designer and I've been in this industry for slightly above 20 years. Bathrooms in Singapore are generally rather small, so it's quite important to maximize every inches of the space. So while designing, we do consider the storage solution that not only helps to max out the space, but still in the sense that to create this sense of openness visually. Waterproofing is also another crucial element, making sure that the walls, floors, and all the plumbing connections are sealed properly to prevent any water damage. Likewise, for ventilations, due to Singapore's unique climate, good ventilation helps to prevent mold growth, moisture issues. So installing a proper exhaust fan and using mold resistant ceiling paint is very crucial and important. Likewise for lighting, it's often overlooked, but it's also a key factor. So proper lighting enhances overall bathroom and also usage experience. Using wall space for storage is a great way to optimize the bathroom. Installing ceiling mounted cabinets, also recessed shelvings, etc. Also open racks to store toiletries, towels and accessories. This also helps to free up basically the floor space and makes the bathroom appear tidier and also spacious. You can consider built-in storage such as mirror cabinets, vanity cabinets, so that it helps organize your items. The other one to segregate storage between the wet and dry is having a glass partition, example like a shower screen. If not, then you can actually build a wall with a glass panel. Same, you can also install a glass door. This effectively will help to separate the wet and dry without taking too much space of the bathroom. For smaller bathroom, you can consider a shower curtain, or sliding door type of shower screen, depending on the layout of the bathroom. And also ensuring that water flows directly through the drainage point. Also, the other one, it will be the application of the waterproofing membrane. So a proper use of those waterproofing materials, and likewise using a non-slip towels also is to maintain the safety of the bathroom. Another way to increase the airflow and also another way to tackle the humidity is to install an exhaust fan on the window. It helps to remove excess moisture and also reduce the growth of mold, and definitely will help to improve the air circulation. And for newer BTOs, if the bathroom have a large window, ensuring the design allows a proper opening and airflow to promote natural ventilation, which is very essential in Singapore's humid climate. Another option is to getting appliances, meaning a portable dehumidifier that can help also to remove moisture and at the same time, likewise, keeping the bathroom dry. Of course, when designing the bathroom, we also take in moisture-resistant materials and coatings that prevent moisture penetrations, and of course, that will help to reduce overall dampness in the bathroom. Usually, master bathroom typically has a more comprehensive functions as it's used by the owners themselves as a husband and wife. We will always consider a double sink, a he and she sink, a larger shower area, or even bathtub. Then for the common bathroom or guest bathroom, usually is for the visitors, so it tends to be more straightforward, but also practical, at least meeting the basic needs. From the lighting aspect, for main lighting, so you can consider using recessed LED downlights or ceiling-mounted lights for a more uniform illumination throughout the whole bathroom. Likewise, you can also install some light strips or wall lights around the mirrors to provide a better, clearer, shadow-free lights, ideally for tasks like makeup or shaving. It does also serve as a decorative purpose. For ambience lighting, you want something a bit warmer, you can use for warm LED strips around the shower area or bathtub to create a more relaxing, comfortable ambience. Motion lights can also be considered, especially during the night, to provide softer lights, so to prevent direct harsh lighting shining towards you. Hope this Q&A format is helpful for your bathroom renovations plannings. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.